Hi, this is Sandra. I'm here again with another recipe, and this recipe is what I call my cinnamon pecan brown sugar fried chicken. Yes, indeed. This is a sauce that goes on top of your chicken after you fry it. I'm fried 3 chicken thighs because I'm cooking too much, y'all. So I had to cut it down. Not nobody eat it. So anyway, I got 3 chicken thighs freshly out the frying pan, and here I got some brown sugar, some cinnamon, and pecans. Over here I got some melted butter, and I'm gonna pour all this in there together just like that. All like that. And I'll be right back and let you show what we do next, okay? All right, we're gonna let it get to a syrupy boil just like this, and we're gonna let this cook about maybe 3 or 4 more minutes. We want it kind of thick and want those pecans to be kind of roasted in that sauce, y'all, in that sauce. And we'll be right back. So you want it kind of thin like that. Now we're gonna let it cook about another, like I said, another 2 or 3 minutes, and we'll show you what we do next, okay? Right, what we're gonna do now is pour our sauce on top of our chicken just like that, just all over. The pecans and the brown sugar and the cinnamon and the butter. That's some good chicken, y'all. That's some good chicken. And we're going to let it sit like that for just a second or two. And we'll be right back and let you see what delicious this chicken is, y'all. Look at that. Oh, ain't that beautiful? All right, we're going to get ready to bite our wonderful chicken. Look how beautiful that is. Look at the pecans on there, y'all. Have you ever had chicken like this before? You need to try this. We're going to bite this. We'll get a small one. And taste it and see what it tastes. Look at that. Oh, it's sticky. And cinnamon and brown sugar and taste it. Woo. It's so hot. Let's rub it, y'all. That is delicious. Pecans. Brown sugar. Cinnamon. The butter. It's fabulous. It's fabulous. This is delicious. Look at that. Glazy. Now you can put any ingredients you want. Excuse me for smacking. This is delicious. This is a treat for those who fry chicken all the time and want something different. Try this. It's magnificent, y'all. It's good. So I want to tell you happy eating and thank you for coming to my channel and doing these wonderful recipes. It's fabulous, y'all. This is fabulous. I'm hot. I drop it, y'all. This is Sandra. I want to tell you happy eating and thank you for coming to my channel.